if you have online meetings on your computer, then you might need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this headset, and it has this little microphone boom arm on it. But the most important thing about this is the connector. This is USB-C / Thunderbolt. And the reason I picked this up is because many laptops just have USB-C ports, including my MacBook Air right here. And I thought, instead of using the 3.5mm jack, what would a headset with a microphone boom arm here and USB-C sound like if we recorded it on the laptop? Would this actually be better quality than using the 3.5mm jack? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this and try it out. So the first thing I want to show you is that it has a padded headband up here. We have some on the ear cups, so some pleather right there. Do they adjust? Yeah, they do. So they do slide just like that. And if they can get over my giant pumpkin-sized head, well, just barely, but they do, then they will fit just about everyone. You also might be able to see here, we have a microphone boom arm. It's hardened plastic, so it's not flexible. But what I like about that is it's going to hopefully put that microphone right in front of your mouth, so hopefully provide a good listening experience for the people on the other end of the line. If we go down the braided cable here, I want to show you that there is an inline controller right here. So we have a mute and on switch right there. So if you want to go offline to cough or talk to someone, looks like you can turn that off and then go mute and then unmute yourself right there. Then we also have an inline volume switch right there to turn that on. Then we also have a bunch of cable and then that important USB-C port right here. So let's go ahead and plug in the computer and see what it does. All right, guys, I'm on my MacBook Air here. I have the headset plugged in. It just finds it as AC5014 USB headset. So I definitely have it working with this microphone. Let me just prove it to you. If I keep talking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moving this back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully you should hear the audio kind of disappearing a little bit. I'm not sure what kind of spatial area it picks up on, but one of the things that I wanted to just see here is a fully digital headset like this with the microphone boom arm. Would this improved quality? I'm just using my standard webcam here, but if you're on Teams meetings, Zoom calls, webinars, those types of things where you need to speak to someone, you don't want to necessarily have a studio microphone right in front of you. Does something like this level it up? Because if it does, this thing is also very inexpensive. It's very affordable, and obviously USB-C works with a lot of stuff. So you'll be the judge of how well you think it works. It's certainly comfortable. It makes my head look normal sized. That's a plus in and of itself. But if you think this is a step up above what you have and want to make the experience as good for the other people as possible, then I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.